नमस्कार मित्रों। और अब हम 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड से डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। और इससे पहला जो वीडियो था हमारा 80 वर्ड पर मिनट का था, जो कि यही मैटर था। तो इस तरीके से हम एक मैटर को दो स्पीड में देते हैं, 80 और 100 की स्पीड से। तो अब हमें 100 की स्पीड से मैटर लिखना है। अगर आप इसका लिंक चाहते हैं, ये जो हमारा जो पिक्चर है, तो इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। वो एक पिक है जो फेसबुक पर चढ़ाया गया है, तो वहाँ से आप वो पिक भी ले सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हम आपको 5 सेकंड बाद डिक्टेशन बोलना शुरू कर देंगे। 5 सेकंड्स। श्री शेखर मल्होत्रा, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants, argued that as the DRT Act and Securitization Act have been enacted by the Parliament under Article 246(1) of the Constitution for speedy recovery of debts due to banks or financial institutions, or for enforcement of security interest by the secured creditors, and overriding effect has been given to these legislations, the provisions contained therein will have primacy over state legislations which have been enacted under Article 246(2) of the Constitution, and under which first charge has been created in favor of the state in respect of the dues of sales tax, etc. Full stop, para. He further argued that even though the central and state legislations have been enacted with reference to a particular entry in list 3rd in the 7th schedule, Article 254 will get attracted, and the Kerala and Bombay High Courts committed an error by refusing to accept the submission that banks, financial institutions and secured creditors have priority in the matter of recovery of debts or enforcement of security interest, wise the state's right to recover the dues of sales tax, etc. He further submitted that in view of Article 254(1) of the Constitution, provisions contained in state laws which are repugnant to or inconsistent with the central legislations are liable to be ignored. Full stop, para. Shri Rakesh Dwivedi, learned senior counsel appearing for the states of Kerala and Maharashtra respectively, argued that even though the DRT Act and Securitization Act contained non-obstinate clauses suggesting that the provisions contained therein would prevail over other laws, the same must be interpreted keeping in view the legislative policy underlying those enactments, and if they are so interpreted, Section 38C of the Bombay Act and Section 26B of the Kerala Act and similar provisions contained in other state legislation by which first charge has been created on the property of the dealer or any other person liable to pay scale tax, etc., cannot be treated inconsistent with the central legislations. Full stop. Shri Dwivedi submitted that the DRT Act and Securitization Act have been enacted to speed up the recovery of the dues of banks, financial institutions and secured creditors, but there is no provision in the two enactments by which first charge has been created in favor of banks, etc. Full stop. And therefore the provisions contained in state legislations creating first charge in respect of the dues of sales tax, etc. Full stop, cannot be treated as inconsistent with central legislations. Full stop, para. Shri Dwivedi further submitted that Levi and collection of tax, etc. Full stop. Is sovereign function as well as necessity of the state, and as such the state has exclusive plenary power to legislate on that subject, and in the absence of any provision in the DRT Act or Securitization Act creating first charge in favor of the bank, etc. in lieu of their dues, these legislations cannot be given overriding effect qua the provisions contained in the state legislations, and right to the state to recover the dues of sales tax. Full stop. थैंक यू दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले, साथ ही बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं। थैंक यू।